In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Microsoft Word account in just 5 minutes. This process is not only simple, but essential for those looking to make the most out of Microsoft's comprehensive suite of productivity tools. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone looking to organize their digital life, having a Microsoft account will unlock a world of possibilities for you. Let's dive in. The first step in creating your Microsoft account is to head over to Microsoft.com. Once you're on the site, you'll notice a sign in option right at the top. Click on it to get started. This step is your gateway into the world of Microsoft services, so make sure you've got this right. Next, you'll find yourself facing the option to create account. Go ahead and click on it, then press next. This is where your journey truly begins. Creating an account is like opening a door to numerous Microsoft services, not just Word. So think of a username that you'll be happy to use across the board. After that, you'll be prompted to create a password. This step is crucial for protecting your personal information, so opt for a strong password that combines letters, numbers, and symbols to ensure maximum security. Once you've entered a password you're confident in, click Next to proceed. Remember, your password is the key to your account, so keep it secret and keep it safe. Following your password creation, you'll be asked to enter your birth date. This information helps Microsoft personalize your experience and ensure that you're getting content appropriate for your age. Fill in the accurate information and move on to the next step. It's just another way to make your Microsoft experience as smooth and tailored as possible. Now here comes a very important part, verifying your email. Microsoft will send a verification code to the email address you provided. Check your inbox for this code, enter it into the required field, and voila, your account is now created. Email verification is a critical step to ensure the security of your account and to verify that you are the rightful owner of the email address provided. And there you have it, your very own Microsoft account set up in less than 5 minutes. With this account, you can now access Microsoft Word along with a plethora of other Microsoft services. A few tips to enhance your experience. First, take some time to explore the Microsoft dashboard. Familiarizing yourself with its features and settings can provide you with a more personalized and efficient experience. Also, consider setting up two-factor authentication for added security. This extra layer of protection ensures that you and only you have access to your account, even if someone else discovers your password. Lastly, don't forget to explore Microsoft's vast library of templates and tools available in Word. From resume templates to newsletter formats, starting with a template can save you a lot of time and effort. Creating a Microsoft account is the first step on your journey to utilizing one of the most powerful word processors available today. Whether it's writing a novel, preparing a business proposal, or just keeping your notes organized, Microsoft Word, backed by your new Microsoft account, is ready to support your endeavors. Remember, the digital world is vast, and a Microsoft account is your passport to navigating it more effectively. Thank you for taking the time to follow this guide. Don't hesitate to revisit any steps if you need a refresh, or reach out for support if you face any challenges. Your digital adventure with Microsoft starts now.